To get started, open a web browser and search for Ripl, which should bring up the Ripl.com website as one of the top results. Clicking on this link will take you to the Ripl website, where you'll see various options such as Create, Features, Pricing, Blog, as well as Login and Sign Up buttons. If you already have an account, you can click on the Login button and enter your email and password. Otherwise, you can create a new account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard, which includes sections like Home, My Posts, My Brand, and My Account, along with a search bar and other features. To use your own music, click on the Share or Post option, and then select Music from the available choices, which also include layouts, media, text style, font, tag, text, and shadow. From there, you can upload your own audio tracks by clicking on Select from My Device, which will open a file Explorer page where you can choose a song to add to your post. Be sure to select a track that you're familiar with and that won't result in a copyright claim. After adding your music, you can complete your post and share it with others.